Hello everyone, welcome to DIY Craft Gallery. If you enjoy creativity and love discovering simple DIY craft ideas, then this video is for you. Today we are looking at some beautiful craft inspiration that shows how simple material can be turned into something creative and amazing. Many people think that crafting is difficult or required expensive supplies. But the truth is, creativity does not depend on expensive tools. It depends on imagination. With a little creativity, even the most ordinary things can become something beautiful. Wonderful way to bring creativity into everyday life. Simple material like paper, cardboard, jars, bottles, or small boxes can easily become decorative items when they are used in a creative way. One of the most interesting things about crafting is how it changes the way we see everyday objects. Something that may look ordinary at a first can become a beautiful decoration piece with just a little creative efforts. For example, simple paper design can create amazing decoration pattern when different shape, color and layers are combined. They can turn a plain surface into something bring. And another great thing about DIY craft is the ability to reuse material. Many items that we normally throw away can actually be used in a creative projects. Old containers, bottles and jars can easily become decorative items that add charms and personality to the space. Crafting is also a very enjoyable and relaxing activity. When you spend time crafting something with your own hands, it allows you to focus on creativity and forget about daily stress for a while. Many people enjoy DIY projects because they give you the freedom for experiment. You can try different color, design and styles until you create something that feels unique and personal. Another wonderful things about handmade craft is that they make great decoration and thoughtful gifts. A homemade item always feels more special because it shows time, effort and creativity. Sometimes the simplest idea can create the most beautiful result. A small creative touch can completely change the look of an object and turn it into something unique. So, if you enjoy creative activity and love exploring new DIY ideas, this is the perfect time to try something new and create something beautiful. If you enjoy creative DIY inspiration like this, please take a moment to like this video and share it with others. And if you want to see more creative ideas, homemade inspiration and simple DIY craft projects, so don't forget to subscribe to DIY Craft Gallery and turn on the notification bell so you'll never miss the video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video with a more amazing DIY craft inspiration.